In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the newer version of Google Meet on your laptop. If you're ready to host virtual meetings or join them without a fuss, you've landed in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore the straightforward steps to ensure you're accessing the latest version of Google Meet from your laptop. To begin, the most accessible method of using Google Meet is directly through your web browser. There's no need to download or install separate applications. Simply fire up your preferred web browser, it can be Chrome, Firefox or even Edge, and type in the following web address, meetgoogle.com. This URL takes you straight to Google Meet's interface where all its updated features are ready to use. One of the great things about using web browsers like Chrome for instance, is that they automatically update to the latest versions of web applications, including Google Meet. This means most of the time you won't need to perform any additional steps to ensure you're accessing Google Meet's newest version. Isn't that convenient? But what if you want to double check that you're truly using the latest version of your browser and Google Meet? Well, let's go through a couple of quick steps to verify this. First, open your browser and look for the three dots icon, typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. Here, navigate towards the bottom of the menu and click on Help. Once you do that, a new menu should appear, and here you'll want to select About Google Chrome. And even if you're using Firefox or Edge, these steps are quite similar. Selecting this option will direct you to a page that tells you whether your browser is up to date or not. If your Chrome is up to date, it will also pull in the latest version of Google Meet when you type in meet.google.com in the address bar. Keeping your browser updated is crucial, not only for accessing the newest features of Google Meet, but also for maintaining the security and optimal performance of your browsing experience. If your browser isn't updated, you'll typically find an option on this page to download the latest version, which will install automatically when you close and reopen your browser. And there you have it. Accessing and using the latest version of Google Meet from your laptop is really that simple. Thanks to modern browser capabilities, you can dive right into your meetings with confidence, knowing you're using the most recent features available. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy how-to guides like this one.